How to add a story highlights on Facebook in 2021. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook app homepage, and it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. Go to your Facebook homepage, then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and after that in under the menu option you can see your profile picture with your username. You have to click on this and then click on the three dots in the right side of add to a story. Click on the three dots, and then here you can see the third option, archive. You have to click on this archive option, and here you can see the story archive in the top left corner. Under the archive option you have to click on the story archive, and then you come to this page, and here what you can do is you can choose so what you have to do is you have to click on any of the archive that you want to add to your story highlights. You have to click on this feature button in the bottom right corner. So when you click on this feature button, then it will ask you to give a title. So let's see, I give a title holidays. So after that, adding the title, what you can do is you can also add more by clicking on this add more button in the bottom left corner. You can see this option of add more. You have to click on this add more button, and here you can choose add more from the stories. So you can choose another stories to add to your featured uh, add to your story highlights. You can add any of them by you can also add multiple by choosing any of them. Upload, you can also upload photos. So after that you can click on the next in the bottom, and then here you come to this page, and here you can see the bottom save button in the bottom. You have to click on the save button, and now it is saving your featured collection. So that's basically it. And when you again go back to your you can see the so when you again go back to your profile, then you can see this your featured in the featured collection. When you scroll down, and here you can see it in the featured collection with the holidays. So that's basically that how you can add a story highlights on Facebook. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.